Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into a match ask topic, DEGIRO versus interactive brokers. These are two of the most popular investment platforms out there, but which one is right for you? Let's break it down. First up, fees. DEGIRO is known for its low cost structure, especially for European investors. For example, they don't charge inactivity fees, and stock trades in the US market can cost us as little as 50 cents. Interactive brokers, or IBKR, also has competitive fees, but it really shines with its tiered pricing for high volume traders. So if you're a casual investor, DEGIRO might save you more, but for pros, IBKR could be the better deal. Now, let's talk tools. DEGIRO's interface is clean and user friendly, perfect for beginners. On the other hand, IBKR's platform, especially the trader workstation, is packed with advanced tools, ideal for seasoned investors who love data and charts. However, with great power comes complexity. If you are not used to trading platforms, IBKR might feel overwhelming at first. Both platforms offer wide market access, but IBKR has the edge here. With IBKR, you can trade in over 150 markets worldwide. DEGIRO, while extensive, is more Europe focused. So, if global diversification is your goal, IBKR takes the lead. Alright, so here's the takeaway. DEGIRO is excellent for beginners and European investors looking for low cost and simplicity. Interactive Brokers is a powerhouse for advanced traders who want access to global markets and cutting edge tools. Ultimately, it depends on your needs as an investor. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.